Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Just remember to like and subscribe and hit that notification bell if you want to be updated about new videos that are coming out. Today we're going to be working on the F250 again, and we'll be going to do the airbags. So let's take a look. I have a curtain airbag that's out here, and which I'm going to try to do first. The driver's side airbag, which is obviously the easiest, I think it just pops right off here. So, and then the passenger side. I'm going to be doing the seat airbag, which the driver's seat airbag was popped in this one, and I'll be doing that in another video. And I decided to do leather cat skin covers that go over the top. Well, actually, you have to take the cloth off, and then you put the leather covers over where the cloth was. And I'll be installing the heated seats with that one, the new driver's side seat airbag, and the covers. So I'll do that all in one. But for this video, we're just going to do these 3 airbags. I had sent away the airbag module, which goes right there. And yeah, so let's get into it. So I think I got access to most of it here. I'm not going to take the entire headliner out, just too much effort to actually do it. So I fold the seat down. If anybody needs to know, there's a right here. You have to reach back and pull this up. Oh, it's on the other side. There it is. And it'll pop out. So I'll show you it from this side. Once you close it, come on baby, here you go, you just pop it up, and then the back seat folds down. So got this one out, and what I'm going to do is just kind of gently go up between here. There's some 10mm bolts that just hold it all the way down. Just take one at a time and go slow. And then right up in here, there's the where it connects right here. You just slide this orange piece out and pops right out. So couple down the front here for 10 millimeter bolts as well, and that should come right out. So let me see, I have the other one right here. Looks like that one comes with some bolts there too, so did not know, but no big deal. Let me get the other one out, and then I'll show you what it looks like, and we'll go from there. There she is. It's out. Really wasn't that bad. Just a bunch of these little 10 millimeter bolts all the way down. Just follow them and pull them out real easy. So I have the other one ready to go right here, and I'm gonna be sticking it in right now. Okay, she's installed. Everywhere there's a little black wrapping around it. That's where there's a bolt. So we got one here for the tail, and then 1, 2, 3, and there's one right here in the center. 4. Right here, real easy. I'll show you up the top, but this slides into a little slot that's there, and then there's a 10 millimeter bolt and that plastic clip that holds it in there. So you take the bolt out and that plastic clip, and then just slide it backwards a little bit after you've obviously unplugged it. And then you got one right here, one right here, and then there's one buried right down in there for the tail as well. So you got to move this little bit of insulation right there. So, but that's it. So I'm going to get this guy hooked back up here. I'll put you back on the dash, and then put this trim back on, and that'll be it for at least the curtain. I finished getting the trim back on for the curtain airbag, and it turned out real well, except there's just in the back there, I don't know if you could see it, but there's a little crease in the headliner, and it seems to be, I don't think it was from me pulling on it as much as when it blew out, kind of takes it out of the trim, so not really that noticeable. but everything else looks good. So I took out the, well, I got loose the steering wheel airbag. I had a little bit of a hard time finding something that was small enough, but I ended up taking a welding rod that I have. I was using it for painting, and you slide it in here on both sides. There's one on each side, and you push the little detent that's right there. So it slides in the hole and then pushes it back and then releases it out. So once you do that, you kind of work it out from both sides. Take it out very slowly because there is some wiring that's back there. Once you take the wiring off, it comes right out.